No, I don't see any kind of impact in that. See why I'm saying that. See, if you talk about corruption, I think any opposition, any party who is not in the government, I think this is not a new thing. You must have seen throughout India, opposition or the party who's outside the government, they always charge, oh, government is corrupted, government is corrupted. It happened that way. And I think that is not a new thing. So be it BPP, be it any party, it is their duty to say that. Even me also, if I'm in the opposition, I have to say that this government is corrupted, this government is like that, this government is like that. Otherwise, otherwise your name will be washed away. You get my point? So I will not spend much time on this, because ultimately I'm telling the best way to see is on the 24th of February, the counting day. Then only we will understand.
So do you think anti-incumbency will play a major factor in the MDC elections?
What anti-incumbency are you talking about?
It's people in power being voted out.
I don't know. I just name now these projects that it's being implemented by who? 5,000 crore plus. I think it is not at all a joke. It is not at all a joke. And then if you talk about 15,000 crores, again that corridor road. So can't you imagine that a Meghalaya state, which is a small state, we get so much projects, we get so much schemes. Why we get? Because the government is very active. We are able also to convince the government of India. That's why we get this. We don't spend time here to say people that, oh, this fellow is like that, this fellow is like that. We don't have time to do that. We have time only to go to Delhi and with a bowl, folded hand, please give us. No matter if we have to bow down our head, we have to. For whom? For the interest of our people in the state. That is our duty. That is our agenda. Therefore, I don't have time to talk about other party. I don't have time to talk about anybody. But we have a sleepless night. How to bring more projects, more schemes in our state. And these projects, this scheme, it does not mean for Preston. It does not mean that it is benefited to Preston's family. It is benefited to the citizens of the state, generation to generation. Okay?
So we have seen.
I have nothing to say. This is democracy. You have every right to do that. Whether you want to contest from BJP or you want to contest from any party or you want to contest independently, since the Constitution of India allowed. So I have nothing to say. It depends on them. It depends on their assessment. So nothing to say anything on that.